Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Simone. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video. It's been a lot. I have to catch you guys up on a lot, but this video is a long anticipated video. It's a Flexi Rod Set video. My first video on YouTube was actually how to do a Flexi Rod Set, and I never ever gave y'all an updated video. This is the updated video, okay? But it's gonna be a little different. As you can see, my hair is straight. This is an old silk press, and I'm like, why not? So that's what this video is about. So if you are interested in seeing how it turned out on straight hair, continue watching. Okay y'all, so products that I'm gonna use, I'm not quite sure. I never did a Flexi Rod Set on straight hair, so we gonna see how it goes. I think this is like grease. I don't know, can y'all see that? It's grease. You're supposed to use it only on dry hair, so I'm like, why not? It's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention. So yeah. So I'm gonna use this. This is the Olive Oil Wave and Curl Reviving Cream Styler. So I may use this on the ends just to make sure it doesn't like fall apart in the rods. I'm gonna use this for my edges. The Olive Oil edge control. Your hair. That's what we gonna do, y'all. I got me some combs, my little edge control brush, and these are the size flex rods that I have. So I have this size, and then I may use this. I probably won't use this size, honestly. Maybe for like the front, but probably not. I don't know. Pause. Can we get into the makeup a little bit? Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I've been learning how to do my makeup more, and that's what you guys don't know about me so far. Like, it's been a while, but I've been mastering the MUA role. Yeah, I'm coming for y'all spots, but I'm not doing people's makeup. I actually brought this, and I wanted to see how it is. A lot of people are using the tinted moisturizer in replace of foundation. It's a little too dark for me. So the reason why I did kind of a face, because it was too dark, so I'm like, yeah, let me just put a little concealer on. I was like, all right, let me put some little mascara on, some eyeliner on, let me do my eyebrows a little bit, and you know what, let me put a little blush. I don't even do blush like that, y'all. So I put on a little blush, and then I was like, let me do the little freckles. But yeah, so this is, it's giving. What y'all think it's giving? Anyways, back to the video, back to the hairs. Back to the hair. Look at this. This is a mess. All right, so we got our part. Oh my god, y'all, like, I'm just actually realizing that I haven't did a video in maybe like some months. What was the last video I did? I think it was the either how to do my floors or the body sculpting video. I don't know, I'm gonna check it out, but that's ridiculous. I've been neglecting YouTube, but it's been for a reason. Now, if you haven't seen my first video, I'll kind of show you how I flexi rod. So you're going to twist as you're twisting your hair around the flexi rod. So you're gonna twist your hair. So it's like two twists. So you're twisting your actual hair around. It's like a double twist, if that makes sense. And you're just going to do like that. I'm using this creamer to hold it. This laid down. Slick it. Okay, we got the first one. Damn. Okay, so what I did for the first one, instead of putting this on my hair, because I can put it on my hair, but to hold the hair in the Flexi Rod, I'm using this styling cream to hold it. And I didn't want to use water because I don't want it. I want it to kind of have like if I was winding straight hair, I want it to have that kind of silky effect. Look at that hair. That hair is straight, baby. I forgot to tell y'all, I got my hair cut. I've been needing a haircut for a long time. I didn't even record it. I've really just been neglecting YouTube, you guys. I'm sorry. Like, I know if you've been watching my channel, y'all know I've been complaining about my hair being uneven. I finally found somebody to cut my hair and I didn't even record it for y'all. That's crazy. I cut it into a bob, as you can see, but I'll keep y'all posted. I'm a do better, I promise. I promise. Your hair is super straight like mine, you're gonna have to, since you don't have that water quality in your hair, you're gonna have to use a lot of this styler to lay this baby down. Do we got it? We got it, period. Okay, that's how I look. All right, so I'm gonna do majority of it and then I'll come back when I'm on this part and see how I go, because I don't know. All right guys, so I am back. I did the back and then the sides. Hopefully it stays, and I'm not gonna let this air dry. I'm actually gonna go under the blow dryer so it can be done all in one day, hopefully. This right here is what's been holding the ends together. So if you get some of this, this is Edge Control hair gel. This stuff is what's holding these straight pieces down, I tell you that. I'm just gonna put some of this on my edges a little bit. Get these edges. Ooh, that was a lot. My natural state trying to come back like, girl, free me, girl. Free me, girl. You cannot keep me locked and alone. Free me. That's what it's saying. Y'all see that? But I'm not gonna let that happen. No. I'm gonna do it when I'm ready. Recently, not sure if you guys may ask or not, but a lot of people do ask me this. They ask, did I dye my hair black? No, my hair is naturally just cold black from the roots, baby. And I love that about my hair, because who hair is like naturally black? Nobody's. Like, except like Asians or whatever. Their hair usually are like actually naturally black. So am I Malaysian? Baby. So as I'm twisting, I'm getting some of this edge control and putting it on my hair so it can eventually start to lay down when it actually needs to wrap at the ends. There we go. Like that. Over here concentrating. Voila, we almost done. Voila. It look kind of crazy now, but I got a feeling it's gonna be really, really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna sit under the dryer. Hopefully not long, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. I'll come back and see if it's dry. If it is, we're gonna take these babies out and hopefully we get a bomb finishing result. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and I just hope my hair is dry. I've been under the dryer for like an hour and a half. My eyes are red, my eyes are hot, and I just hope this is dry. So, let's see. If it's not, I do have a hand blow dryer, so let's do it. I'm so scared. That's why I'm just, my energy just went from here to here. Like, I'm just over it. So, I had to reapply my lips. So, let's hope and pray this is dry. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of dry. I think we can work this. Okay. I'm going to blow dry. I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to blow dry the pieces that are still kind of damp and I'll come back. Okay? Get into this one like perfect. Perfect. I'm going to get some moisturizing oil. Just a dab. Just to put on my hands. Okay, Shirley Temple. Okay, so this is how I need all mom to look, like this. Oh, this is kind of cute. Okay. Okay, so let me get a wide tooth comb and pick it out. Let's just play with it, right? I think this is it. This is the look. I like it. It's giving Marilyn Monroe, period. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I love it. It came out so good. It came out better than I thought it would. Like, if you want some curls, if you tired of that old silk press and you want some curls before you wash it, this is the style to do, baby. And it only took me what, maybe 2-3 hours to do. Now you do need a blow dryer, a hooded blow dryer. You do need one of those to get these results within the 2-3 hour span, but you can do it overnight or whatever. But I just did mine under the blow dryer and it came out so good. I also didn't use water. That is why it was majority dry and I could, you know, achieve this in one day. And all I used again was a little bit of this. This is like grease. I use also this style creamer. I think this is what actually formed the curls to stay. And then I use this edge control to seal the ends, even though all the ends just was being ghetto. But yeah, that's it. And then of course the Flexi Rods, and that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for viewing again. I promise I'll do more videos. It's just been a lot going on. But if you want to see any type of videos, hair videos, makeup videos, just let me know down below and I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? I'll come up with something. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching and staying this long, that you made it to the end of the video. So I really appreciate that. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions or concerns. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.